By creating controlled depth score lines on both sides of the circuit board, our customers can easily separate individual boards from the panel after assembly. We use special machines with rotating blades on top and bottom to cut score lines into the panel on both sides, following the customer's design and as predefined in the engineering process. Before we begin cutting, we ensure the production panel is accurately aligned and set in the machine. This process is repeated for each V-score line until they are all applied to the panel. We make sure the factory controls the score line depth and checks the remaining thickness. We have defined our own V-score definition, which is applied if the customer doesn't have their own. We offer controlled V-score and production records in the NCAB Certificate of Conformity for each delivery. Detailed V-score and tolerance information is available in our design guidelines.